Hello and welcome. I'm on the road. This is the middle of June. It's 31 degrees centigrade. This is the middle of Poland. This place is called Sięganów. That's S-I-E-G-A-N-O-W. Only it's not an E, it's an own, and it's not an O, it's an U. But never mind. There's your Polish lesson for today. So here, what we've got is, as I turn the camera around, you've got a petrol station and there's a McDonald's here as well. Now, this place is just to the south of Łask. So I said that was your Polish lesson. You get another one that's L-A-S-K. The L looks like an L with a line through it. So it's pronounced like an English W. Łask. And which is just the north of here. So there you have it, McDonald's, and there's the petrol station, the fuel station, the filling station, Åland. And as I come round, because I've already looked this way once before, there's a bridge over at the other side. This motorway, it's really a dual carriageway, I think, rather than a motorway. It's new. Well, this was open. First time I came down, it was in 2014. So this place here is new now. At the moment, there's plenty of empty space here, but if you come here at night, it's gonna be packed out, because if you're a lorry driver, the lorries get all the space. I dare say the space at McDonald's, where you can't get the overnighters staying, might be a bit freer. But for somebody like myself with a 7-meter vehicle, then that would be more difficult. So I'm now heading towards Wrocław, W-R-O-C-L-A-W. And they've got an event, the Caravanning Days. We haven't actually got a title for it in English yet. And so I shall be there, and that's my plan is. Now, I'm going to have a little bit of a walk around here. What with me being interested in such things. So, let's just end the video. I hope you can hear through the wind. Oh, I'll just tell you another funny thing I thought was here. It must have been vaguely amusing. As you come in, there was like a road, a path, road I suppose is the right word, leading off the left, but it said no entry, except for those with dangerous goods, or I think it said dangerous items. And I thought, well, does a vicious dog include? Is a vicious dog included? Right. Anyway, I have to practice that joke. I'll work on it, and maybe next time I crack it, I'll have found out how to make it funnier. But if you think it's got potential, a joke, then it's worth working on. If it hasn't, then I won't. Right, so this is me on the road in the middle of Poland.